Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Now first of all, you need to understand this thing that there is no option that is given to you by Instagram to actually recover your chats. But still, if you want to recover your chats, the only way of doing so is by contacting to the Instagram customer service executive. For that, open your Instagram application, then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner, and on this page scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find the help option. Once you have found help, simply tap on it and select the option of report a problem. Afterwards, you will see this type of pop-up in front of you where you will have to select the option of report problem without shaking. Then press include and continue and you will be landed on this report a problem page. Now over here you need to simply type that you want to recover your deleted chats and you are not able to find that option available. So please provide my deleted chats in my Instagram account and then press send option in the top right hand corner of the screen. After doing so, you need to wait for 24 to 48 hours until Instagram customer executive contact you via your registered email address or until they recover the deleted chats in your Instagram account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.